This will be a short video on how to spot audio product reviews online where the reviewer is really impressed by the product. And I think this is really important because there's like thousands of reviews. Each month there's like 100 more, and always the next best, it's best and perfect, even more perfect, better base, blah blah blah. But it doesn't tell you where one product is, because there's always something perfect next month and something that was reviewed maybe a year before. How does that compare? There's no such logarithmical, exponential development in audio products. That's something that's reviewed as best today. If you compare something to it that was made in 2019, between that and between something that's made today, there's no big difference between the two. It's just like a tiny shades of difference, really. How you can truly spot something that really stands out from the crowd is that you have to look at the language the reviewer is using, and that's why I'm showing as an example Andrew Robinson's review on the Klipsch La Scala speaker, and there it is. Here it is, that he does not use technical terms like how the bass is, blah blah blah, or what's dynamic range and so on, but he really uses emotional terms. And even here he says like it has evolved into an emotional journey. What does the product make you feel, and so on. And just check out the second half of the review where him and Christy, his wife, are talking and sharing some insight about audio reviews. And this is the kind of stuff you want to look for when you want to find a review that points you towards something that's truly spectacular and really stands out from the crowd. And I just hope that you will remember this little bit, so when the reviewer is talking about how music made him feel when he listened to that certain gear, instead of him saying, oh, frequency extension is half an octave better than product Y, when reviewers are giving you only technical talk and avoiding any other details on how it makes them feel, that's because that product sucks big time, and they have to say something nice about it because that's their livelihood. And when they truly can say something nice, then they don't have to hide behind numbers, behind specifications, but they can truly say, oh yeah, this sounded really awesome. I haven't heard anything in a decade that sounded that good. And if you just follow that, then you will be on the fast track of finding some really fantastic things for you. So thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.